$40 sent straight to PayPal.
To make money online.
New way to make money on Fetch Rewards. Stay tuned, I'll show you exactly how. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can make money on Fetch Rewards, and this is a new method. Before we begin, I want to give a big shout out to all these people who used my code from the last video. Thank you guys so much. I really do appreciate it, and if you want to be featured in my next video, just download the app, put in my referral code, and scan a receipt. Basically, Fetch Rewards gives you money back on the purchases you make when you scan your receipts. Make sure to use my link and code in the description to start off with $5 when you scan your first receipt. You get points from scanning receipts, and then these points can then be redeemed for gift cards to Amazon or eBay or even PayPal. As you can see, these are my rewards, and I'll show you exactly how you can make this much money as well. In the last video, we made money from referrals. In this video, I'm going to be showing you a good way to refer a lot of people at once. The way we're going to be doing this is by making a YouTube video like I'm doing right now. My last video got around 1,500 views, and from that video alone, I made $500. All you have to do is make a video explaining how Fetch Rewards works and giving people your referral code to use. Stay tuned till the end, and I'll show you how you can share your code in a TikTok video that will go viral, guaranteed. Here you can see some of the things that you can get points from, and also this is how much I made from just scanning receipts. You can also connect it to your Amazon account. This way you get points when you buy things on Amazon. Okay, before you go, make sure to use my code and link in the description, and also bonus clip. To make a viral video, you're going to want to download this app called Flash Trend. Basically, you swipe left or right. As you can see here, swiping right will share a post to all of your friends, and swiping left will pass it, not showing it to any of your friends. So all you need is one person with a lot of followers to swipe your post right, and it will go viral. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you download and leave a review. See you guys next time. Bye.